Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Messenger account. While Facebook and its parent company Meta has made account deactivation and deletion a much longer and harder process over the past years. You can deactivate Messenger following these steps in this video. But keep in mind that if your Messenger account is connected to your Facebook account, you will have to deactivate your Facebook account first. The following Messenger deactivation steps apply to both iOS and Android platforms. First, open Messenger. Click on the hamburger menu or three lines in the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon to open your account settings. Then click on Account Center. Tap again and tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation and Deletion. Finally, click on Deactivate Account and click Continue. Just keep in mind that this action will deactivate your Facebook account because you can't deactivate Messenger without deactivating your Facebook. Deactivating your Facebook account will not automatically deactivate your Messenger account because the app is separate from Facebook. If you deactivate only your Facebook Messenger, your profile won't appear in search results. However, your messages and comments will still be visible. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.